Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and you're watching my channel Ma Pa and Me. So today we are going to discuss about how to develop child's interest in reading. In this video we are going to talk about what, how and why of reading. Under what we are going to discuss about what are the steps that as parents we can take to encourage our child to read more and more, and also what as parents we should never do that can hamper the reading interest of the child. Under how we will discuss about how can we collect suitable reading material for our kids and also some post-reading activities which we can conduct to make their reading session more interesting. And we will finally conclude the video with the why, which will list the benefits of reading as to why we should read, why should our kids read, and what are the immense benefits of reading which we can get. As the famous saying goes, preach what you teach. So it's you as parents who need to develop reading habit regularly because your kids imitate you and get influence from the activities you do. Encourage group reading in your child and also gift him new books on different occasions. Show interest in whatever your child wants to read and also plan some post-reading activity to make his reading session fun. Make reading a regular habit and choose the reading material of your child's interest. Give him exposure of multiple genres. Also keep the cognitive level of your child in mind, that is, the material you choose should be age appropriate. Try to contact some nearby libraries where you and your children can go together. Don't force your child to read, otherwise it will be very frustrating for him. Don't choose all the books yourself, give him space to choose for himself as well as for you. This will boost up his confidence. Don't impose the post-reading activities on your child. Do them only if your child is interested. Don't be judgmental about his choices. Let him choose and read for himself. Don't act like a master. Be like a friend while reading with your child. Don't compare your child with other kids. Respect his pace and give him space. To collect the suitable material, try to know about the favorite genre of your child, which can be thriller, suspense, fairy tale, or action and adventure, drama, mystery, horror, poetry, thriller, or science fiction. To find out the favorite genre of your child, you can even relate to the TV shows, movies, channels, or even videos he likes to watch. Start with the short story books to develop interest initially and then move to novellas and finally to novel. List of some of the famous books are Ask your child to make a record of books which he is reading. After reading, you can also ask him to retell you the story, or you both can discuss about the various issues, concepts being raised in the book. Try to design tasks related to the story. You can do different things like draw any object or scene which is highlighted in the story, or act like the characters, prepare a drama on the story, or have dialogues between the characters. You can have dialogue writing, or you can just write character sketches. So here we come to the why of the video, where we'll discuss about the benefits of reading. So, as we all know that reading has enormous amounts of benefits, and I have tried to list a few of them, which are: reading develops imagination and creativity, it leads to knowledge building, and your concentration level improves while you read more and more. It leads to better writing skills, increase your vocabulary, and also makes you stress free. So with this, I end my video here and hope it will be helpful to you all. And please guys, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel Mapa and Me.